So this is a quick video about Tesla Supercharging, and if you want to start using the Tesla Supercharging network, or you're thinking about switching to a Tesla, this is a video for you. And I don't always look as bleary-eyed as this. So you join me in a very early, drizzly morning here in Edinburgh. I'm currently filming as I'm doing a quick charge before I park in Edinburgh Airport for 3 days for work, hence the shirt, and it's also 6 AM in the morning, so I'm the only madman here. There are 2 other Teslas charging at the moment, but nobody seems to be there. So you wanted to see a bit more about charging, and you're still watching, which is great. So I'm just going to get back into the car, switch this around so you can see my screen. Hopefully the camera will focus here. I've got plenty of battery, plenty of charge here. What we're wanting to do is just show you very quickly some of the charging settings you can do. So currently I've got a massive amount of battery here, and the battery is pretty low in terms of its temperature. So it's saying the charge rate is limited by how cold the battery is. I didn't have enough time to heat it up. You can set your charge limit here, so if you're going on a longer trip, if you are doing one of those longer drives, just charge it up to 100%. And it'll ask you to say if you want to do this as your normal setting or just a one-time charge, and put it back to 80% if not. So I'm not going to do 100% because I don't need to. You'll get your costs down here, and some of the costs will give you, it's roughly about 40 pence per kilowatt hour. I'm currently on a supercharging deal for 1 year, so I don't pay anything, but you'll get your rate down there at the bottom. Once you're finished charging even, you can stop charging there and unlock your charge port. You don't really need to do that with some of the chargers, the version 3 ones that are here at the Tesla Edinburgh Centre. You can just press the button on the charger and it'll stop it for you there. Once I'm done, I'll press that anyway, go back out, stick the charger back on, and we're done. This is the Tesla Supercharging site at Edinburgh at Newbridge, the biggest supercharging site in Edinburgh. In fact, there's only one of a couple. There's another one in Edinburgh Airport, which is very small, and this is the Tesla Service Centre here at Newbridge as well. Lots of test drives available here, so this is how I fell in love with Tesla last year, down at this place. So we've got about 80%, so we're all good. So all you need to do, press the button, green light turns to blue. So we want to press this button here, hold and release. Back up it goes, all done. So hope you found this quick Tesla demonstration of supercharging very useful and easy to show you how that works, and I hope you find that as easy as you do if you switch to a Tesla. If you have any other questions, please feel ask them in the comments below. Remember to click like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up and help our channel grow.